Okay, so with power in mind, it's got a built-in tank and a 100-watt pressure assist pump. So that's a full strength flush even in low pressure homes. It still does fine. It's got a 6-second clear flush, so it can handle heavy waste pretty fast. It's got a quiet operation, less than 45 decibels. It's got dual flush intelligence, and it even works during power outages. We reviewed one in the past where it needed a battery pack in case the power went out, so it could still work, but this one's got a mechanical flush on it, just in case you lose power. You could still flush it normally, just like a regular toilet. I know that's a big concern for people that buy smart toilets. They're like, well, what if my power goes out? Can I still flush it? Yeah, you can, and you don't need to charge a battery pack like some other smart toilets. Okay, so it's got an easy to replace filter. It's supposed to replace it every 6 months. With cleanliness in mind, the filter kind of helps with like the bidet water, any water that you like splash directly to, you kind of want it filtered. So it helps with that process. It's sanitization safe and makes it germ-free water. It's also got foam shield technology, so that prevents splashes, it blocks odors, and it keeps the bowl cleaner for longer. We have some of that cleaning foam, so we'll be able to show you a little bit of that. It's got a stainless steel curved nozzle that self-sanitizes every time you use it, so it's always clean, the bidet function. It's got UV sterilization after every use for the bowl, and it's an electrolyzed water bowl, so that makes it chemical-free, odorless, and automatic sanitization. So pretty cool, I'd say, overall. Not too chemically, but it still manages to stay nice and clean without you having to do much. Okay, so comfort. It's got adaptive temperature in the seat, in the water temperature, and in the air temperature. It's got instant water plus a full bidet function, and that has soft, warm, or continuous wash. It also has family ready modes, some child mode, child wash, gentle wash, or care modes for seniors or sensitive users. It's got a powerful moving dryer, so you don't have to worry about like using toilet paper at the end to dry yourself off. It'll dry you. Just dries you with air. It's got an extra wide seat, and it also has a time reminder for health purposes, I guess. So if you're sitting for longer than 15 minutes, it'll give you a little reminder to stand up and move around, because I guess that's bad for you sitting in that plate, like sitting in that position for a really long time. It's got a platinum catalyst deodorizer, so that helps keep everything even more fresh. That basically breaks down odor molecules at the source. Intelligence wise, it is a smart toilet after all. It's got auto seat and auto lid opening, so that's a fully hands-free entry and exit for men and women. It's got a kick to open option in case for some reason. Touch-free lifting in case your hands are busy. Right here, you could push it with your toe. For the men, you know, because a lot of smart toilets are kind of more woman-focused, I think. But this is you know, if you stand to use the restroom, then this definitely helps. And atmosphere, of course. It's also got music sync, ambient glow. I'm just gonna call it RGB. It's got an RGB screen. I don't think you guys have seen that yet, but it's beautiful. It's behind this lid. Oh, look at the screen. That's cool. Look at that. Wow, it's done. And that's pretty much it for the features on this.